In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Monday.com. This is a really quick process, but it's an important habit to build, especially if you share a computer with others or you're working on a public or office device. Signing out properly helps keep your projects, boards, and sensitive work information secure. First, make sure you're on the Monday.com homepage and that you're already logged into your account. You can do this in any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Open a new tab, type in the Monday.com address, and press Enter. Once the page loads, you should see your usual workspace with your boards, dashboards, or whatever you last had open. From here, we're going to look for your profile area, which is where the sign out option lives. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. On most Monday.com layouts, this will appear as your profile picture, your initials inside a small circle, or sometimes a small user icon. Take a moment to move your mouse to the top right area of the page and look for that profile section. Once you've found it, click on that profile area. When you click, a small menu will drop down. This menu typically includes options related to your account, such as your profile, settings, and notifications. What we're interested in is the option that allows you to leave your account safely. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Logout. It might be closer to the bottom of the list, so if you see several items, just scan down until you find it. When you see Log Out, go ahead and click on it once. After you click Log Out, Monday.com will sign you out of your account and redirect you to the login page. This is your confirmation that you're no longer logged in. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to also close the browser tab or window after logging out, just as an extra precaution. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully signed out of Monday.com.